the second part of this particular video on introduction to the MetaTrader platform, being MT4 or MT5. But I'm using MT4 for the sake of this tutorial. So go to your MetaTrader 4. Use MetaTrader 4 for the sake of this tutorial. Now I'm going to talk to us about the market, which is the chart to the chart. This is the chart here. All right. I'll talk to us. I've spoken to us already about the growth, the chart, ongoing trade, close trade, economic calendar, and message on Metatrader platform. Now we're going to talk about deliberate on the market, the chart. Now this is your market, this is the chart interface. All right. Now for us to make use of the chart interface, you look at the top, you see this icon, or we can also call it tool, is known as your crosshair. You can use to know, for example, when I place it at the top of this candle stick, which is the eye, you can see it tells me the volume 18829, and here it also tells me the price 110.459. all right, the card JPY. All right, so 110.459. So it helped me to know, to mark the price there. All right, so at the top now I can see this top here is 111.516. okay, that is the price at this particular high. They look at this low 110.955. so this is the price, market price at this low. So the crosshair you can use to mark, to know the exact price or price quotation at a particular key level in the market, either to the high, the low, or the open. You see the open here and the close. So I can just use to mark, okay, this is it, and I know what I'm doing. So that is it. Then this F2 is known as indicator 2, and with it you can add indicator to your chart. Okay, let's say let me add the moving average. Then I click done. Right, so you can see the moving average right here. This is the moving average right here to show this downtrend. Then the other two here, which I'm going to speak more on in this particular video. All right, so the other, this is the two, it shows the vertical two, horizontal two, Fibonacci, the retracement two, the trend line two, the rectangle two, and the arrow two. There are more. So these two here are showing the dollar sign. You click on it, show you all the currency. It show you all the currencies. All right, being euro, AUD card, and the rest. Then this plus two is to add a trade. When I click on it, I'm given the option to sell or to buy. So this one is card. From the platform, I can still change it to USD. All right, so I can sell, can buy. A particular place where you put your stop loss. All right, then there where you put your take profit. Okay. Okay, that is that. So now let's talk about. Let me remove the indicator moving average. Now the other way you can also operate this by clicking on the surface. When you click on the tap on your screen surface, it will come up with this option. Now you can see this is our time frame. So the first, okay, let's start with the 1 minute, but most of the time we'll start from the monthly time frame. It's like top down analysis. So monthly time frame. So go to the weekly time frame. So this chart is showing the weekly time frame. Then I go to the daily time frame. So when I click on it, you can see the various time frame, the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame. So you can switch from the higher time to lower time frame. Then 15-minute time frame, 5 minute time frame and the 1 minute time frame. Alright, so I'll show you how to switch from different time frame. Alright, we'll talk about this particular tool known as the crosshair tool. Alright, then this is the indicator, same thing. You can add and you can remove. Then the tool, yes, yeah, this is the tool, or some people call it technical analysis tool. So when you click on it, it shows you the vertical tool, the horizontal tool, the Fibonacci tool, the trend line tool, the rectangular tool, and the arrow tool. Alright, so I'm supposed to talk more on how to use this Metatrader tools. Well, I'm going to talk on it on the next video because of time. Thank you very much.